Deep in Ecuador's Amazon rainforest, one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, life thrives in an intricate balance. This vast ecosystem plays a crucial role in oxygen production, carbon storage, and freshwater preservation, while also serving as the ancestral home of numerous indigenous communities who have safeguarded its richness for centuries. With over 200 tree species per hectare, the Amazon's dense vegetation includes tar and sabus, cedars, and mahoganies, creating a multi-layer habitat that supports an astonishing variety of life. The rainforest canopy shelters jaguars, ocelots, sloths, Amazon tapirs, capybaras, and a vast array of monkey species such as howler, squirrel, spider, capuchin, golden lion tamarins, and kinkajous. The skies are filled with toucans, guans, macaws, cock of the rock, king vultures, and the formidable harpy eagle, one of the most powerful raptors in the world. Birds of all sizes play critical ecological roles, from seed dispersal to predation. The Amazon rivers and wetlands teem with anacondas, boas, vipers, iguanas, turtles, giant river otters, and dart frogs, alongside iconic fish species like the piranha, the giant Amazon catfish, and the R. palma, one of the largest freshwater fish in the world. Amphibians and reptiles thrive in the humid conditions, contributing to the rainforest complex food web. Beyond its larger inhabitants, the Amazon harbors millions of insect species, from vibrant butterflies and beetles to highly specialized ants, centipedes, and pollinators, making it one of the most entomologically diverse regions on the planet. Despite its ecological importance, the Amazon faces ongoing threats from deforestation, mining, and climate change. Conservation efforts are essential to preserving this globally biodiversity hotspot, ensuring the survival of its countless species and the communities that depend on it. Environmental protection is not only a matter of preserving our species, but securing our own food reserves, to building resiliency to the inevitable effects of climate change. Always remember, let's protect what makes us unique. Cheers.